Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 KTM 390 Adventure. This lightweight adventure bike just arrived with only 3,200 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition, ABS brakes, fuel injection. Come on by and make your lightweight adventure dreams come true with this gorgeous KTM 390. It's got the engine guards, little mini fairing hand guards. Price to sell at just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.